A recipe is one of the most useful tools in the professional kitchen. The ability to read a recipe correctly and to use it in various ways is critical to a food handler's success. A recipe is a written record of the ingredients and preparation steps needed to make a particular dish. Recipes can follow any format. However, recipes used in operations, called standardized recipes, must follow a format that is clear to anyone who uses them. Standardized recipes play an important part in a successful professional kitchen. They help to control costs, quality, and the consistency of products. A standardized recipe includes several parts. The first is the name. This is the title of the recipe. Next is the yield. This is the number of servings or the amount the recipe will make. This information is used to determine how much of the recipe quantity is needed. The yield is critical to understanding how much it will cost to produce the recipe. Ingredients are the food items needed to make the recipe. They are usually listed in the order in which they are used. This makes it easier to follow the recipe and not forget any ingredient. Each ingredient must also be clearly defined. This could be the color or type of ingredient required in the recipe. Amounts of each ingredient are also given on the recipe. Using specific amounts makes it more likely that the finished product will be what was intended. After ingredients is the portion size. This is the individual amount that serves a person. Temperature, time, and equipment are also included in standardized recipes. This includes the size and type of pans and other equipment needed, the oven temperature, cooking time, and any preheating instructions. The step-by-step directions describe how and when to combine the ingredients. The nutritional information of the recipe may also be included. This is not required, but it is useful. The amounts of fat, saturated and unsaturated, carbohydrates, protein, fiber, sodium, vitamins, and minerals are usually included. The recipe is a roadmap for the cook. Read it completely, gather and place all ingredients, measure carefully, and follow the instructions. This will lead to a consistent, delicious dish for your customers.